Hello my foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today on Lisa's Food Addiction, we are going to be making deep fried corn. And we're going to top our deep fried corn with an Old Bay garlic lemon aioli. Yes honey, let's get cooking. What we're going to do first is grab some mayo, preferably Duke's. To that mayo, we're going to add a fresh clove of garlic. Go ahead and grate that in there. Next, we're going to add in some Texas Pete hot sauce, one of my favorites. And now we're going to spike up this aioli with some Old Bay seafood magic, garlic and onion powder, and paprika. And we're also going to go in with a fresh squeeze of lemon. Once we have all of our ingredients in, grab a whisk or a spoon and we are going to mix everything together until it is uniform in color. Once we are done, the aioli will be this color. Put this delicious mixture to the side and we are now going to start breading our corn on the cob. To bread our corn, we are going to be using pre-made Louisiana fish fry, which makes for less time in the kitchen. I've already added some black pepper. To this fish fry, add 2 tablespoons of yellow cornmeal and give it a good mix. We're also going to add in some paprika for color, onion and garlic powder, a little bit of Tony seasoning, and seafood magic. Mix up your breading and grab 2 eggs. Once we have our eggs, give them a good cracking and we're going to add them into a bowl. Now that we have the eggs in a bowl, whisk them until combined and we are ready to begin breading our corn. First, we're going to dip the corn into the beaten eggs and drip any excess off. Next, we're going to place our corn in our seasoned fish fry. After the corn is nice and battered, we're going to place them on a wire rack until we are ready to fry. I'm just going to continue breading our corn until all are done. If you don't have eggs, you can also use half and half or milk for this step. To continue breading the corn, I switched to using my best kitchen tools, my hands. You just want to make sure that as you are breading your corn, you are releasing any excess egg mixture or any excess batter. Here we have a pot full of oil, and don't be alarmed, my oil is discolored because I was using it to fry up a couple of other things. I just used a wooden spoon to try to gauge the temperature of the oil. Once our oil is up to temperature, we're going to start dipping our corn into this hot oil jacuzzi. We're going to let them fry for about 5 to 6 minutes, and once they are done, we're going to place them back on the wire rack to cool. Continue to cook all of your corn until golden brown. Once they have cooled and drained any excess grease, they will look like this right here. Because we used a combination of the pre-made fish fry and yellow cornmeal, we have this nice crunchy coating that is unbelievably amazing. Now that these gorgeous golden crunchy deep fried corn are done, it's time for us to plate these up. We're going to grab a serving plate and begin to stack this corn. Drizzle with some of that amazing Old Bay lemon garlic aioli, and we're going to top this off with some fresh parsley and sliced lemons. These deep fried corn, y'all, are so good. You can taste all of the seasonings and it has a bit of spice. That aioli on top is so fresh from the lemon and garlic, and that Old Bay takes it over the edge. Man, Man, I really hope you guys are able to try this because it was so good and so easy. These are also really cheap to make. Most of the ingredients you probably already have in your home. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to cook with me, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next recipe, and I will talk to you foodies later. Bye y'all.